going to show you guys how I style my hair. So first I'm going to use, I put it inside of this jar, but it is the, this is the Shea Moisture Curl Smoothie. So I'm just taking, this is actually probably too much, but taking a little bit of this, smoothing it down. And of course, since my hair is bleached, it's a lot straighter. And I don't need as much product as when my hair is natural and virgin, or when it's not as processed as it is right now. But I use the same products regardless, or at least that's the same product. Now, if my hair is black or just a darker color, I normally would go in with my Eco Styler, the green. But I don't have the clear, so I'm not gonna use this because it's gonna turn my hair yellow. So I'm not gonna use that. What I'm gonna use, okay, yeah, so this is the Jane Carter Solutions Wrap and Roll Foam. So I like this if my hair is bleached, I'll use this instead of gel. So it's probably too much, but put that all over, especially around the front, because that's where I do a lot of the molding and stuff on my edges. So, all right. And make sure you're smoothing it down and around, just like this, okay? And you're not going back. Well, it depends on your hair, how your hair grows. My hair goes forward, so I'm gonna push it forward. I'm gonna take my brush, I'm gonna take it on the soft side and just brush it in. And this is how I do it regardless of like whether my hair is bleached or not. This is how I do my hair. So for those of you who ask me, just lightly brush it all over. I try to feel for like where my cowlick is in the back, and I'll brush around it. Okay, brush your hair down. Once it's down, you brush your edges forward, because those are the parts that are about to be molded. Now I'm gonna take some more of my foam. I'm gonna lay it down around the edges like this. You can use as much of this as you want. It just kind of dissipates, so it's not heavy at all. Okay, now I'm gonna take my rat tooth comb. Actually, no. First, before my rat tooth comb, I'm gonna go with my toothbrush. Or if you have an actual edge brush, that's nice too. But so you can do whatever design you want. This is the design that works for me. Just depending on like what I want. But so I go like this, and then I like to swoop this part out, flick it out. So I do that there, and then here I will swoop that way, and swoop that way, swoop that way. Now swoop that inside like that. And I like to then take my comb and just pronounce it more, so that, because I don't like when like the edges are all these different shapes but the hair isn't doing the same thing. I like my hair and my edges to be doing the same thing, if that makes sense. So I will go up into my hair and flick everything, and I do like a finger wave type motion on that whole side. Do the same over here. There we go. And You can go in and do finger waves at this point. I just like to do one finger. I do one finger wave there. But this is only like if my hair is bleached, not if it's darker. Oh, just messed that up. Okay, let me fix that. The back, I just keep that smooth. For anyone who doesn't know how to tie a do-rag, here's a quick little tutorial of that. So lay everything flat. Then you make sure that it's flat, okay? Make sure the ribbons are flat, okay? Spread them out with your thumb. And then smooth them down like this. And then tie. Here we go. And then pull the tail down in the back. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna come back with my hair dry, and I'll let you guys know, I'll let you guys see how my hair turned out, all right? Okay, so real quick, y'all, let me just show y'all. I took my do-rag off, and this is what my hair looks like. Let me shine a light on it so you guys can see. See? Bam! I put a little coconut oil on top. If you're using Eco Styler, it will be like super crispy and crunchy. So definitely use coconut oil or any type of oil you have, and just run your hands over it. And then like, I like to brush it out after if I'm using gel. Right now with the wrapping foam, it's not crispy, so I don't need to brush out the crunch, you know. But yeah, so that's my hair. All right, I gotta go. Happy New Year. Bye.